kids! Welcome to the Guess the Fruit quiz. Today we're going to have a blast guessing fruits based on clues and pictures. Are you ready? Let's dive into the fruity fun. Alright, here's our first fruit. Look at this picture and listen to the clue. This fruit has a spiky top and is sweet on the inside. It's often found on tropical beaches and makes a great topping for pizza. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a pineapple. Great job! You're off to a fantastic start. Here comes our next fruit. Check out this picture and hear the clue. Can you guess what it is? It's often enjoyed in desserts and is a favorite at summer picnics. This fruit is red, juicy, and has tiny seeds on its outside. Yes, it's a strawberry. Awesome, you're doing great. Ready for the next one? Here's our third fruit. Take a look and listen carefully. This fruit is long and yellow. It's easy to peel and has a soft, sweet inside. Monkeys love this fruit, and it's perfect for a quick snack. What fruit is this? That's right, it's a banana. Fantastic! You're really nailing this quiz. Next up, here's another fruity clue. This fruit is big, green on the outside, and has red, juicy flesh inside with black seeds. It's perfect for hot summer days and picnics. Can you name it? Yes, it's a watermelon. You're doing an amazing job. Only a few more fruits to go. Here comes another one. Look closely and listen. This fruit is small, round, and can be green, red, or purple. They grow in bunches and are sweet and juicy. You can even make juice out of them. What fruit is this? That's right, it's a grape. Fantastic work. We've got a few more fruits to guess, so let's keep going. Here's our next fruit. Take a look and listen to the clue. This fruit is red, green, or yellow and has a crisp texture. It's a popular snack and is often used to make pies. What fruit is this? That's right, it's an apple. Great job! Ready for the next fruit? Check out this fruity friend. This fruit is round and orange in color. It's full of vitamin C and often enjoyed as juice in the morning. What fruit is this? Yes, it's an orange. Fantastic! We've got just a couple more fruits to guess. Here comes another one. Look carefully. This fruit is brown on the outside and green on the inside with tiny black seeds. It's fuzzy and has a sweet, tangy flavor. Can you name it? That's right, it's a kiwi. Great work. We're almost at the end of our quiz. Here's our next fruit. Ready for the next clue? This fruit is golden yellow and has a sweet, juicy flavor. It's often called the king of fruits and is popular in tropical regions. What fruit is this? That's right, it's a mango. Wow, you're doing so well. Let's move on to our last fruit. Here's the final fruit. Look closely. This fruit is round, fuzzy on the outside, and has a sweet, juicy interior. It's often enjoyed fresh or in desserts. What fruit is this? Yes, it's a peach. Yay! You did an incredible job guessing all these fruits. Give yourself a big round of applause. Thanks for playing the Guess the Fruit quiz with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. See you next time, fruit fans. Bye bye.